Out here in Miami, heading to Stiltsville, doing a photo shoot with Sea Chaser and Suzuki. Got a helicopter out here waiting for us, and a couple boats. A little breezy today, but it should be fun. Hope we get some good pictures. Back in the days of Prohibition, this was kind of a simple place out here, Stiltsville. And this is what's left of it. A few places out here. It used to be mostly shacks. There was a lot more than this back in the day.
Maybe you're tired of Ben's jokes and you're looking out here. What about we are ready for the